Namaste, my name is Sonia, and in this video we continue doing the Hindi alphabet. Last time we ended at R, and we are looking at the next set in the Hindi consonants, which is dental, which means that we use our teeth to make them. And I will show you how to make each one. Okay, so the first one is the. So we have a vertical bar, and then like this, and then we cover it. So that is the. So it's a soft dental T. Okay. The next one is the aspirate version of it. Okay. So it has a loop. Okay. And then we don't cover the loop with the horizontal bar. Okay, and that is our th as in moth. Okay, the one after that is the. Okay, so we go like this, the. And that's a soft dental T, which sounds very similar to the English the. Okay. The one after that is with a loop and heavier version of the D. Okay, so it's called the. So you go like this, the. Okay, and then after that, the final one in that row is N, and that's our N. Okay, no. Okay, so these are our dental consonants. Okay, we use our teeth to make them, and to review the, n. So our next line of consonants is going to be our labial consonants, which means that we will be using our lips to make them. Okay, so the first one is pa, and that's how we make pa, like this. Okay, pa as in papa. Okay, so that's our P. And next up is p. Okay, so that's the aspirated version of that. Okay, so again, we go like this, p. Okay, the next one is b. That's our B. Okay, so we make this with the line. Or you can draw like this. Okay, that's our B. B as in bus. Okay, and then the next one after that is the aspirated version of B, which is B. And again we have that loop, okay, which we are not going to cover with the line. Okay, so that's B. And then the final letter in that row is M. M. Let me show you in 2 steps. M. And that's our M. Okay, as in mom. Okay. So these are our labial consonants. Okay, p, p, b, b, m. So now we will do our semi-vowels in the next row. Okay, the first one is y. Okay, so that's our Y. Okay, y as in yacht. Okay. The one after that is R. Okay, so we can write R like this. That's our R. Okay, R as in rest. Okay. The one after that is L. L. So that's basically our L. Okay. Love, as in love. Okay. The one after that, the last semi-vowel is V. Okay, and that's like this. And that's our V and W. Okay, because Hindi doesn't distinguish between V and W. Okay, so can say wonder. Okay, V. Okay, and the last one in this row is a sibilant, which just means like a sh sound. So I'm going to finish that row out with sh, and that's another looped consonant, and almost looks like a 21. Okay, sh, as in shed. Okay, so these are our semi-vowels. Okay. This is a start of our sibilants. They're just a handful. Okay. And just to review, y, r, l, v, sh. Okay. So on to the reading practice 4.5, page 27 from the PMP. Okay, we're going to try and read these two-letter words that have some of the vowels and consonants that we have learned in previous videos. Okay, so let's try to read them. So we combine the first letter with the second one. So this one is a, and then this one we learned today, b. Okay, so a note on the consonants that come at the end in the words. So they will end and sound like a voiceless stop, and I'll explain what that means. So how we will pronounce this word is ub. Okay, so we won't be saying ub, right? So it'll be ub. Same thing here in the next one. This letter is U, and this one is G. Okay, so we will say ug, ug. Okay. Third one, we have G and E, kai. Okay, so here it's okay because we have a vowel ending. Okay. Number 4, U, N. Un. Okay, so we will just have the short n sound at the end. Un. Okay. However, in the next one, number 5, since n is at the beginning of the word, we will pronounce it n a, nae. Okay. Number 6, g e, gai. Number 7, I, N, in. Okay. Number 8, Ri, R, Rid. Again, Rid. Okay. Number 9, A, J, Aj. Okay. And number 10, O, S. O's. So now we are going to do some speaking practice. Okay, we are going to learn how to say yes in Hindi. Okay, so it's called ji ha. Okay, and you can also say ha ji. Ji is a respect marker that we use. So it's a very polite way to say yes if you are including ji. Okay, ji ha, ya, ha ji. Okay, and then no similarly has ji. Ji nahi, okay, nahi ji. And notice the N that we covered today, N, okay, from the consonants. And thank you, we have two ways of saying thank you. One is dhanyavad, okay, so that's from Hindi, okay, dhanyavad. And then shukriya is from Urdu. Both mean thank you. Okay, so you can use either one of those. And we covered dha, ya, and va, and sh today. So those letters are in there. Dhanyavad, shukriya. Okay. And our homework for today from Practice Makes Perfect Basic Hindi is to do exercise 3.2 and 4.1. That practices the consonants that we covered today. And as I mentioned before, writing each of the new consonants 3 times at least, some people write it 5 times, will help solidify the shape and sound in your mind. Thank you so much for watching and stay tuned for the next video. Namaste.